Hello there, this is Marjan Shofi and welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a repository from GitHub. So first, you need to sign in by clicking this button and paste your credentials here, username and password, then click signing in. And then you have to go to your profile and now go to repositories by clicking this button. Now in this area, select a repository you want to delete. Now I'm going to click this one to delete. Here you can see my repository is here. Now for deleting this one, I need to click this settings button from here and go to the bottom section of the page. And here it is, delete this repository. You need to click this one, and now for confirmation, I want to delete this repository. You need to click this button. And here you can see it is showing me a warning that says this will permanently delete the repository, wiki issues, comments, package, secrets, workflow runs, and remove all collaborator associations, everything. This will remove everything. For confirmation, you need to click this one. I have read and understand these effects. And now to confirm, you need to type this one. So I'm going to type this. And after that, you need to click this button, delete this repository. I'm going to click this one. And here it is, the confirmation message, your repository, this one was successfully deleted. So this is the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you got anything to say, please leave a comment in the down section below. So thank you for watching. Have good times.